Yo dudes! Welcome to 5-minute Malaysian Laksa. Super simple, tasty, brothy, delicious dish, and this is our triplet. Dr. Rupy.
Hey.
Woohoo! So Rupy's suspicious. We're going to cook this in 5 minutes. This is a dish his mother used to make.
He's suspicious because this is a dish his mom used to make. He doesn't think we could do it in 5 minutes.
I don't think you can do it in 5 minutes. No.
Okay.
Challenge.
Okay, well, Rupy's going to mark it in a 10, so hold on to the end to see what he marks it out.
3, 2, 1. 5-minute Laksa.
All right.
Okay,
Time is on.
Okay, I have two 50-gram whole wheat noodle nests. I'm crushing them up Okay, I'm going to crush half and not half.
Okay, beautiful. Okay, I've added a tablespoon of oil into a non-stick pan. Not that we really need that right now, but anyway. Show started. We're going to make a curry paste first, Laksa curry paste. 2 cloves of garlic. I've got a thumb-sized piece of fresh turmeric. I have.
There's a thumb-sized piece.
There it is, okay. Thumb-sized piece of fresh turmeric. And I've got a thumb-sized piece of ginger. In they go. I'm going to squeeze in juice of half a lime.
Okay, great. I'm putting into the pan, just slow down, into the pan, which is a hot pan. The oil has been heated up. I have about 120 grams of tempeh. Use tempeh or tofu. We want this to brown initially. Just to recap, curry paste, I've got thumb-sized piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, a little bit of turmeric. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of coriander seeds. About a tablespoon and a half of cumin seed. I'm putting in 1 whole fresh red chili. I love a bit of chili. We've got juice of half a lime in there. Yes, we do.
I'm pretty impressed with the speed of this at the moment. These guys see the Matrix. 1
400ml tin of coconut milk.
Full fat coconut milk.
If you're concerned about calories, use low fat.
Yeah. I'm going in with 3 tablespoons of tamari.
Nice.
And we're going in with about a tablespoon of maple syrup.
A general sense. Okay. Pop the lid on and we're going to blend that until it's smooth. So that'll be our Laksa paste. Point to note, we are boiling our noodles in veg stock. So there's a litre of veg stock there. So one, it's going to infuse noodles.
Good
nice
touch. He's on it. Okay, meanwhile, so time-wise, how are we doing time-wise?
Good time, 3 minutes 20.
Okay, so we're 2 minutes into this. Okay, I've got 1 courgette. So use whatever veg you have at home. I'm going to use the courgette, nice and moist. It goes very well in a Laksa. And Rupy said his mom always includes a courgette and a carrot in his Laksa. So we're grating it.
What's your mom's name, Rupy? We'll do this now to your mom.
Indy.
Indy.
This
is for Indy.
Okay, so we're going to go in with most of a courgette.
I've gone with half a carrot. I chopped it quite fine. I did leave it a little larger because it's nice to have that bite, a little bit of variety of texture.
All right, nearly halfway now.
Okay, great. Cool, right. With the rest of the carrot, I'm going to grate it in because it's going to cook far quicker grated. Oh my God, the heat of the pan.
Yeah.
Do you mind giving that a stir?
Yeah,
Captain
definitely.
Rupy?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, I'm going in with another tablespoon of tamari. Any type of tofu or tempeh will really absorb that umami note wonderfully.
It smells delicious in there.
It really does.
So now, just as a disclaimer here, there is 2 of us cooking this. Ruby's slightly helping. This is a 5-minute Laksa. At home it might take you 10, but it's still a very quick, tasty dish.
Oh, the broth smell, that tastes really good.
And Laksa is generally quite sweet, so I'm just going to put in a tiny little bit more just to glaze
you got
that.
2 more minutes.
2 minutes. Oh, we're grand.
This already looks incredible. Yeah.
Okay,
we got
easy.
It smells amazing.
Okay, let's check on the noodles. Noodles, these are whole wheat noodles. They take 4 minutes to cook. We are cooking them in stock.
Rupy's all about fibre, aren't you?
Yeah, I love a bit of fibre.
Yeah.
I love a bit of fibre.
Why would we? Doctor. Why would we use brown noodles over white noodles?
Oh, because it's got a little bit extra fibre in, so you're using a little bit more whole fibres rather than just the refined white stuff. Not to say you can't have white stuff, that's absolutely fine. But just the majority of the food that you want to use is going to be added with fibre, so whole grain where possible.
Beautiful.
Rupy is a doctor, has a cool YouTube channel. Check him out across all social platforms. Dr. Rupy.
So we've gone straight in there with our curry paste, our Laksa paste.
Amazing.
It's very nice and saucy.
This is delicious.
So our noodles we've done.
Next step, we're taking a slotted spoon. We're just removing our cooked noodles. In they go across.
You're sure they're cooked?
Yes, they are, but they're going to continue to cook.
Yeah, they're going to cook.
Oh, geez, I didn't have this on full. power.
Okay, well, we're okay.
She's well, okay.
We're doing okay.
Well, we pop on the other
So
one.
typically a laksa is quite a brothy thing, so we're just going to put in a little bit of that stock.
Get back into that there now.
Just a little bit of it. So we do want it brothy.
Yeah, that's great.
It does look good, doesn't it?
Yeah,
really good.
I reckon a little more basil and jeez, this is easy. It's 5-minute laksa cruising.
So traditionally a laksa would be with coriander to garnish. We're going to go with, if you've Thai basil perfectly, we're just going to go with a sweet basil.
Yeah, beautiful little basil.
30 seconds.
Fresh
It
leaves.
already looks.
30 seconds.
And Rupy does like it hot. His mom, Indy, used to serve it super hot, so I'm just going to chop a little bit of red chili just to make it hot to serve it.
Garnishing, any garnishing suggestions, Rupy?
I would say, yeah, coriander, Thai basil, holy basil we're done right now as well. Oh yeah, flaked almond would be good. You can even toast a bit of coconut in a dry pan on top as well.
Nice
That'd be really
touch.
good. Yeah.
That does look good though.
4, 3 seconds.
3, 2,
1.
1. Heat off! Boom!
That's amazing.
Laksa in 5 minutes. There you have it. Beautiful.
Wow, that looks
Okay,
There you go.
Rupy is good.
Okay, so as we said from the start, Rupy's going to mark this at a 10.
super impressed.
So here we
I'm
go.
mixing the
Okay, do you want to
flavours
use a
bit,
fork or a knife?
Or
a spoon?
I'll use the knife, yeah. Right, I'm just going to try a bit.
Try the sauce first.
This looks
In
really
with the
hot.
broth.
Sauce looks good.
It does look nice.
Oh my god! Wow, it's spicy.
Yeah.
Jeez, that's proper packs of punch.
A lot of flavour.
Jeez, there's
so
nothing-
good.
What do you think,
there's nothing
genuinely?
subtle
No,
about
genuinely, mate.
Is that good? How does that hold up against Indies?
I don't want to say anything, Mum, but
that. He loves you. He loves you.
honestly,
Very good.
Very tasty, isn't it? A
that's
lot of flavour.
really tasty.
Pungent.
I mean,
Okay.
so much flavour in that. I can't
does
believe
look
you did that in 5 minutes.
Pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, that is really good. Really good.
But I guess it's nice to just to show
Well,
that
yeah.
simple food can be quick, simple, tasty,
well,
and
that's
healthy.
the thing, yeah, and like if you look at the number of ingredients you put in there, right? Like every layer you can taste. You can taste the turmeric, you can taste the garlic, you can taste the ginger. You can taste
Get that little bit of maple
syrup.
syrup, umami now.
A little
nice.
bit, yeah, and it's so quick.
Yeah.
Super quick.
Bam.
I'd give that a solid 9, man. Solid
Okay.
9.
Great to take that.
Yeah,
Right, I like
absolutely, man.
it. There we
That's
are.
really
9 out of
good.
10 from the doctor's kitchen.
Yeah, that's really
Dudes, do check out Dr. Rupy. He's a super cool dude. We're going to do a video now more about top tips for skin, but Rupy's a super cool dude, ultra handsome and incredibly intelligent.
He's got a
So does-
YouTube channel, he's on Instagram, he's got a new book out and another one coming, and he's got a course coming soon. So there's loads. Check him out, follow him. Super cool dude.
Thanks for watching. Send her loads of love.
Cheers.
Bye. Boom.
Hey, that was bloody good.
It's good, it is. It's
I was
good.
genuinely